Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Beginner English Speaking TV. I'm Mike, and this is my wonderful co-host, Sarah. We are so excited to have you here with us today, ready to dive into something truly transformative for your English learning journey.
Hello, everyone! Oh, we are absolutely thrilled that you've decided to join us. Whether you're just starting out or you've been practicing for a little while, this is going to be a fantastic adventure. We know how challenging it can feel to learn a new language, but trust us, you're in the right place.
Today, we are launching something very special, the 30-Day Shadowing Challenge. The goal is straightforward and achievable, to help you speak English with more confidence in a way that feels natural and brings you real joy. We want you to feel like English is becoming a part of you, not just something you study from a book. For this entire episode, and for every single episode on this channel, I will speak slowly, clearly, and simply. This is designed perfectly for beginning-level learners, those at A1 to A2 levels. We avoid complicated words and fast speech so you can follow along easily and build your skills without feeling overwhelmed.
That's exactly right, Mike. We are here to promise you something important. We will help you build your confidence one step at a time. You don't need to have perfect English right now. In fact, no one starts perfect. What you need is a clear, easy-to-follow plan, and that's precisely what we're giving you today. Imagine waking up in 30 days and noticing how much smoother your words flow, how much less you hesitate. That's the promise of this challenge.
Let me share a quick story to illustrate. I remember when I first started learning a new language myself, I felt lost, like I was stumbling over every word. But with consistent, simple practice like what we're about to teach, everything changed. You'll experience that too. First things first, let's talk about why we're framing this as a challenge, and specifically a community one. Learning a language can sometimes feel really lonely, don't you think? Maybe you sit alone with your textbooks, or you watch videos on your phone, and everything seems fine at first. But then, after a few days, your motivation starts to fade away. You skip a day, then another, and before you know it, you've stopped altogether. That's completely normal. It happens to almost everyone. But here's the magic. When you join a 30-day challenge like this, you suddenly feel supported and connected. A challenge is so useful and necessary because it provides you with structure, like a roadmap that tells you exactly where to go each day. It also gives you accountability, that gentle push to keep going because you've committed to it. It creates a clear goal in your mind. I want to complete these 30 days. And doing this together as a community is like building a team around you. This team provides discipline when you feel tired and strength when you doubt yourself.
You are absolutely not alone in this. We, Mike and Sarah, will be right here to guide you every step of the way. Think about it like this. In a gym, people exercise together and encourage each other. That's what our community does for English learning. We'll share tips, answer questions in the comments, and celebrate your progress. Imagine thousands of people around the world, all shadowing together, all improving day by day. That sense of belonging can make all the difference.
Exactly, Mike. I've seen it in my own students. One woman from Brazil told me she almost quit learning English because she felt isolated. But when she joined a similar challenge, the encouragement from others kept her going, and now she speaks with such ease. You can have that too. This challenge isn't just about learning, it's about building friendships and support networks through shared goals.
And remember, challenges like this work because they break down big dreams into manageable pieces. No more vague, I'll study someday. Instead, it's today I do my 10 minutes. That clarity is powerful. Now, let's dive into the heart of this challenge, the secret weapon called shadowing. Shadowing is one of the absolute best techniques out there to improve both your speaking and listening skills simultaneously. It's simple to understand, easy to do, and incredibly powerful in its results. If you've never tried it before, get ready to be amazed at how quickly it helps.
Here's how it works in detail. You listen to Mike or any clear English speaker speak a sentence or a phrase. Then you try to repeat exactly what was said right away, almost at the same time. It's like echoing or mimicking. You're not just copying the words, you're copying the rhythm, the tone, the intonation, the music of English, as we like to call it. This helps your mouth get used to the shapes and sounds that might be new to you. Shadowing trains your ears to hear the nuances of English, your mouth to pronounce them correctly, and your brain to think in English without switching back to your native language. It's like exercising a muscle you didn't know you had. Over time, your speech becomes more fluent, more natural.
And let's talk about the biggest benefit. Shadowing absolutely kills hesitation. Hesitation is that annoying pause where you stop to translate in your head, thinking, how do I say this? But when you shadow, there's no time for that. You have to keep moving forward. This creates a smooth, automatic connection between your brain, your ear, and your mouth. It's like turning on a switch for fluent speaking. Let's try a small example right now to show you. I'll say a simple sentence slowly, and you repeat after me, trying to match my speed and tone. Ready? I feel light and confident when I speak English. Pause and try it.
Very good. Now, let's do another. Every day, I get better at shadowing. Excellent. See how that feels? That's shadowing in action. If you do this daily, you'll notice changes in just a week.
We love shadowing because it's accessible to everyone. You don't need fancy equipment, just your ears, your voice, and some audio, like this podcast. It's been used by professional interpreters and language learners worldwide for decades. One of my friends from Japan used shadowing to prepare for a job interview in English, and it made her sound so natural that she got the job.
Exactly. It's not about memorizing rules, it's about feeling the language. Shadowing bridges the gap between understanding and producing English. Now, let's discuss the real secret to finishing this challenge successfully, the power of small habits. So many people believe that success in language learning comes from marathon study sessions, sitting for hours with books and apps, but honestly, that's not true at all. Real, lasting change happens through many small, consistent moments added up over time.
You don't need to be the smartest student in the world or have a genius level memory. You just need to show up every single day, even if it's just for a short time. Mike and I often call this snack learning. Think of it like eating small, nutritious snacks throughout the day instead of one huge meal. These bites of practice are powerful because they fit into your busy life, whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or relaxing at home.
In this challenge, we're only asking you to shadow for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. That's it. Nothing more overwhelming. If you commit to those 10 minutes daily for 30 days, do the math. That adds up to about 5 full hours of focused, high-quality practice. 5 hours! And because the steps are small, they're easy to repeat. You won't burn out, you'll build momentum. Remember, habit always beats raw talent. Talent might get you started, but habits will carry you to the finish line.
Let me give you an example from real life. A student of ours, a busy mom from Mexico, thought she didn't have time to learn English. But she started with just 10 minutes of shadowing before bed each night. After 30 days, she was confidently chatting with her kids' teachers. Small habits compound like interest in a bank account. They grow bigger than you expect.
And the beauty is once the habit sticks, it becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. You'll crave that daily practice because you see the results. Clearer pronunciation, faster responses, more confidence. To keep this challenge going strong, you need more than just techniques. You need strong energy, which comes from your motivation. This is your internal fuel, the why behind your learning. Take a moment right now. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for travel? To explore new countries and cultures? For your career? To open up better job opportunities? For confidence? To feel proud when you speak? Or maybe to connect with friends and family abroad? Whatever your reason, hold on to it tightly. That why is like a fire inside your chest that keeps burning even on tough days.
And here's something crucial. Do not let fear hold you back. We all experience fear. Fear of sounding silly, fear of making mistakes. But mistakes are not your enemies. They are your best teachers. Every time you stumble over a word or pronounce something wrong, it's a sign of courage because you tried. It's a marker of progress. True confidence isn't about being perfect from day one. It's about showing up and trying even when you're not perfect yet. Each repetition, each attempt is a step forward on your path.
Think of famous people who succeeded in languages. Many actors and singers use shadowing to master accents, and they make tons of mistakes in rehearsals. But they persist, and so can you. Your mindset is the fuel. Believe in your ability to improve, and you will.
We encourage you to journal your why and revisit it daily. Share it in the comments below. Let's build that community motivation together.
All right, here is your simple, step-by-step blueprint for the entire 30-day challenge. We've made it easy so you can follow without confusion. First, choose simple material. Start with this podcast or find another English audio that's not too difficult, maybe children's stories or slow news podcasts. The key is material at your level, so you feel successful. Second, listen once through. Just relax and listen for the gist, the big picture or main ideas, without speaking or worrying about every word. Third, listen and shadow. Play it again, and this time copy immediately. Repeat right after or even overlapping the speaker. Focus on matching the speed, pauses, and emotions. Fourth, repeat this focused practice daily for just 10 to 15 minutes. Track your days on a calendar to see your streak grow.
Remember, the emphasis is on consistency, not perfection, not 2 hours of exhaustion, just those short, energizing sessions every day. If you miss a day, don't quit. Start again the next. Adapt it to your schedule. Morning coffee time, evening wind down, make it yours.
We'll provide resources in the description, like free audio clips tailored for beginners. Use them to get started right away.
You can absolutely do this. You have the tools, the plan, and now the community. We're all in this together. Community gives you strength. Shadowing gives you fluency. Small habits give you success. And your mindset keeps the fire alive.
You are trying, you are growing, and you are showing up. That's what matters most. Growth isn't a sprint or a race against others. It's a gentle journey, step by step, day by day. Be kind to yourself along the way.
Thank you so much for joining us in this challenge. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily tips.
Share your progress in the comments. What's your why for learning English? We'll reply and cheer you on.
And until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, keep shadowing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Bye for now.